Hello everyone, welcome to Unite Educations. Today we will discuss about the current affairs of 9th July 2020 which would be beneficial for your upcoming competitive exams. All the questions in this video lecture are in English language only. The another video will be published in Hindi version. You can follow us on various social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram and Telegram. A separate group, even a discussion group, has been created for you people to discuss about your doubts therein on Telegram. All the links are provided in the description box below. Now let's start our video. First question of the day is, which Indian state has become the first state where all households have LPG gas connections? Let's check the answer. That is option A, Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is the first Indian state where all households have LPG gas connection. The full form of LPG is liquid petroleum gas. Liquid petroleum gas. The CM of Himachal Pradesh is Jairam Thakur. Jairam Thakur. Governor is Bandharu Dattatreya. Bandharu Dattatreya is the governor of Himachal Pradesh and the capital is Shimla. Our next question is, which state cabinet has approved the draft ordinance for reservation of 75% jobs in private sector for youth of the state? So let's check the answer. That is option number A, Haryana. Haryana state has decided to reserve the 75% jobs in the private sector for the youth of the state itself. The CM of Haryana is Manohar Lal Khattar, ML Khattar. Governor is Satyadev Narayan Arya. Satyadev Narayan Arya is the governor of Haryana and the capital is Chandigarh. Next question is, who has authored a book titled Overdraft Saving the Indian Saver, which focuses on the issue of non performing assets that has affected Indian banking in recent years and also its causes? Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct one. That is Urjit Patel. He is the former governor of RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Next question is, which state oblique union territories launched Mission Organic Development Initiative and Greenhouse Project to lead a sustainable path over a virtual platform? Let's check the answer. That is option number D, Ladakh. Ladakh state has launched this mission. The Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh is Radha Krishna Mathur. Radha Krishna Mathur. And the capital is Leh and Kargil. Next question is, who is the head of 11-member expert committee to study impact of coronavirus on human rights of individuals, particularly marginalized and vulnerable sections of the society together with migrant laborers? The answer is option number D, that is Dr. K.S. Reddy. So Dr. K.S. Reddy will be the head of this 11-member committee. This committee has been constituted by the National Human Rights Commission NHRC, which was formed on 12th October 1993, and the chief of NHRC is Justice H.L. Dattu. Justice H.L. Dattu. Next question is, which Indian company is set to acquire Mumbai-based private sector general insurers Raheja QBE General Insurance Company Limited in a deal worth around $76 million? Let's check the answer. That is option number B, Paytm. Paytm is set to make a deal worth around $76 million. And the founder of Paytm is Vijay Shankar Sharma. Next question is, according to the Inform Report 2020, shared evidence for the managing crisis and disasters released by the Research Center Inform, what is the India's rank? Let's check the answer. That is option number B, 31st. 31st is the rank of India. Next question is, which bank has partnered with MasterCard to enable its customer to make real-time domestic and cross-border payments and remittances quickly and efficiently through MasterCard Send? Let's check the answer. That is option number C, SBM Bank India. The full form of SBM is State Bank of Mauritius. State Bank of Mauritius is the full form of SBM Bank. And the headquarters of SBM is in Port Louis, Mauritius. The chief or chairperson of this bank is P. Venkateshwar Rao. P.V. Rao. Next question is, Central Board of Secondary Education partnered with which company to launch a curriculum on digital safety and online well-being and augmented reality for the students and the educators? The correct answer is option number D, that is Facebook. The CBSE and Facebook has made this deal. The full form of CBSE, as you know, Central Board of Secondary Education, and it comes under MHRD ministry, that is Ministry of Human Resource Department. The chairperson of CBSE is Manoj Ahuja. Manoj Ahuja is the name of chairman of CBSE. Next question is, which Indian industrialist authored the book Getting Competitive, a Practitioner's Guide for India from his experience of around 60 years as a policymaker and a leading industrialist? So let's check the name of this industrialist. That is option B, R.C. Bhargava. Who is R.C. Bhargava? He is the chairperson of Maruti Suzuki, and this book is published by the HarperCollins India. HarperCollins India published this book. Next question is, which bank launched a digital solution, loans in seconds, for instant disbursement of retail loans? The answer is option number D, that is Yes Bank. The CEO of Yes Bank is Prashant Kumar, and the founder of Yes Bank is Rana Kapoor. Next question is, Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, will establish a research cell at which Indian Institute of Technology to meet the future defense technological requirements of the country? Let's check the answer. That is option number D, IIT Hyderabad. DRDO will establish a research cell at IIT Hyderabad for future developments in defense technological requirements of the country. DRDO was established in 1958 and the chairperson of DRDO is Dr. G. Satish Reddy. Next question is, in order to strengthen the bilateral development partnership, the Government of India has inked 5 memorandum of understanding with which company under the former's High Impact Community Development Projects Program? So let's check the answer. That is option number B, Afghanistan. India and Afghanistan have inked 5 memorandum of understanding. The capital of Afghanistan is Kabul. President is Ashraf Ghani, and the community which is found there is Pashtuns. That is around 42% of the total population of Afghanistan. Let's see the location of the Afghanistan on the map. This is India, and when we go towards northwest side after the Pakistan, we have Afghanistan here. India shares a border with the Afghanistan of around 80 kilometers in the POK region. Next question is, who becomes the country's 66th Grandmaster with rating of 2495? Let's check the answer. That is option number A, G. Akash. G. Akash has become the 66th Grandmaster with the rating of 2495. And this rating is given by the International Chess Federation Council. The headquarters of International Chess Federation is in Switzerland. And the president is Arkady The president of International Chess Federation is Arkady Vorkovich. Arkady Vorkovich is the name. Next question is World Zoonosis Day is observed annually on which day? Zoonosis is basically infectious diseases caused by the animals. Let's check the answer. That is option number C, 6th of July. Next question is which country has successfully launched a new spy satellite OFAC 16 into orbit by using a locally developed Shavit rocket? Let's check the answer. Option number D is the correct one. That is Israel. Israel has successfully launched its new spy satellite. Capital of Israel is Jerusalem. And the language is Hebrew. Hebrew is the language of Israel. Prime Minister of Israel is Benjamin Netanyahu. Benjamin Netanyahu. And almost 74.2% population is Jewish. Next question, let's see the location of the Israel on the map. This is India, and when we go towards west, we find the Israel here. Let's see it on a zoomed version. This is Israel, and the capital of Israel is Jerusalem. The adjoining countries are Jordan, Lebanon, Syria, Cairo. Cairo is the capital of Egypt. Sorry. So this is the location of Israel, and this is a West Bank called area. Next question is for the first time in the world, which country's railway will directly supply power to the overhead traction system of a train? Let's check the answer. That is B. India. Next question is India's first no permission, no takeoff complaint drone flight on the A200 remotely piloted aircraft system has been completed successfully in which state? Let's check the answer. Option number B is the correct one. That is Karnataka. Which institute have developed the disinfection box Unisavior, which can be used to sterilize various personal belongings to minimize the COVID-19 transmission? Let's check the answer. That is option number C, IIT Roorkee, Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. Which Indian cricketer has come under the scanner of conflict of interest following the questions raised by the Sanjeev Gupta on his recent position? Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct one. That is Virat Kohli. Sanjay Gupta had earlier raised such conflict of interest issues against Sachin Tendulkar, VVS Lakshman, and even BCCI President Saurav Ganguly. So these were the current affairs of 9th of July 2020. I hope you like the video. Like the video, subscribe the channel and share as much as you can. You must join our Telegram group for PDFs and regular updates. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.